Excuse me,
Yes, please.
you're a student of Vostok Academy, right?
Yes.
You are learning spoken English course.
Yes, of course.
How many levels are there?
Yes, there are five levels in my
Uh,
spoken course.
in which level at present you are staying?
I'm staying level 3.
Three.
Yes.
So you have completed two levels, level
Yes,
one
level
and
2.
two.
Yes, 1 and 2.
Okay, could you please tell me what have you achieved from level two?
Okay. Thank you very much for asking this very important question. I've learned actually I learned many things from level 2 from them. At first I learned some vibers, and then I learned some standard spoken grammar that will help you for written communication, and then I learned the difference between British and American language. I've learned how to communicate with any person by telephone, how to conversation with him over telephone when he calls me, and I also learned two talk shows. About one is about the importance of learning English, and another is about the main topic in my locality.
So after achieving this level two,
Yes.
do you think that was it helpful?
Yes, I think of
How do
course
we
it's
say that?
as of it's helpful. Thanks for asking. Uh, it is very helpful for me because the Viva that I learned from level 2 can help me for the when I it helps me when I go to a Viva of a job. That time it can help me, and I have to give some Vivas when I am going to in my college, in my university. I have to give many Vivas, so that can help me in that situation.
I mean,
And
you want to say that you're
yes,
making conversation, then it is
it's
helpful for
helpful,
you.
and I have learned some standard grammars. Standard grammars will help me for easier communication with my any friend, any relative, any person, any foreigner. And I also learned that the difference between British and American. You know that American English is very standard and stylish. That time I can use the American language, and I also learned how to conversation with the telephone. So that's why when a person call on person or caller call me in telephone, that time I can communicate him easily, and I can give him some negative information, some positive information, how to communicate him, etc. And the talk show, the main topic in my local and the importance of learning English will help me to perform another talk shows in my life, because I'm a student. I have to give some talk shows in my college, in my university, so that time it will help me. So that's why I think that is very helpful. And for level 2, I want to give many thanks to our recipients, those who helped us to learn level 2
To
wellly,
teach.
to teach level 2 wellly, and that's why I can learn very easily. So thank you, Mr. Sir.
Oh, yeah, welcome. Okay, so now I want to ask you very personal question.
Yes,
If you don't mind, can I ask you freely?
yes, of course.
Okay, nowadays we see a lot of students like you. They are involved different social media, likely Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and different types of. I mean, in browsing net or surfing net. So, do you browse net?
Yes, I browse net, but I don't spend much time for browsing them.
Just according to your need.
Yes, just 1 hour in a day.
Okay. And as you said that you are following American English,
Yes, yes,
right?
American.
So, do you watch any movie or?
Yes, I watch a movie on, especially I used to watch movie on HBO and some other televisions like HBO, UTV, Action English, and Fox Video and Fox TV, etc. And I also see
Oh, yeah,
Discovery.
excuse me, what sorts of movie do you like most?
I,
Adventurous,
no,
mysterious,
I like action movies
action
and
movies,
action movies
right?
and adventure
Action
movies.
packed.
Yeah, action packed.
Okay, Mr. Sporso, thank you so much for
Welcome.
joining us. Okay,
Okay.
so thank you so much for joining us,
Thank you.
and hope to see you next.
Oh,
Okay, wish you best of luck. Have a
okay.
good time.
Thank
Good luck.
thank you.